Hi guys. Today a special kinky chicken recipe. British edition. Oh yes. Olive oil. Rub that all over me. Oh, and then some sprinkly stuff. What is that? Smells like garlic. Oh, it really is garlic. Dried powdered garlic. Rub it in real good. Oh, you sick little bastard, so you're going to cuff me. Stop playing around with those cuffs and just cuff me. Gentler please. Don't close them too tightly. Now a pineapple beer. Smashing. Wow. Now, what do you want to do with that can? Oh. Oh no. No. Is that honey? Oh yes. Drizzle that all over me. Don't get too kinky with that brush. I'm kinda ticklish. Now into the oven. You know it's really hot in here and that beer is getting me all moist and juicy inside. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and if you would like to get a pair of cuffs like mine, you will find the link below.